Just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful technique, and this technique name is imitation, that is called shadowing. Repeat after me. Okay, with the help of imitation you can learn any language, because language is learned by imitation. Just think of one thing, that when you were child, so how did you learn your native language? You learned your native language with the help of this technique that is called imitation, because at that time you were child and you did not go anywhere to learn your native language. So what did you do? You just copied them. You just heard your mother, father, sister, brother, neighbor to talk to your native language. Okay, first you heard it and you try to copy them, and in this way you could learn your native language. So use this technique, okay, in order to learn this English language. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So first I'm going to give you how to use this technique in order to learn English. Okay, so first I'm going to give you a demo. Okay, and you have to copy them. You have to repeat after me. First I'm going to tell you one sentence, and after that you have to repeat that sentence with the same pronunciation, with the same intonation. That is called shadowing, that is called imitation, because language is learned by the imitation. So are you ready for this? Once upon a time, please repeat after me. Once upon a time, a man was walking nearby to a group of elephants. Once upon a time, a man was walking nearby to a group of elephants. A man was walking nearby to a group of elephants. He suddenly stopped. Repeat after me. He suddenly stopped. He was confused by the fact that these huge creatures were being held by only a small and thin rope. Repeat after me. These huge creatures were being held by only a small and thin rope, which was tied to their front leg. Repeat after me. Which was tied to a front leg. No big chains, no cages, and just a small and thin rope. Repeat after me. No big chains, no cages, and just a small and thin rope. Repeat after me. No big chains, no cages, and just a small and thin rope. It was obvious that the elephants could at any time break away from its bonds. It was obvious that the elephants could at any time break away from its bonds. Repeat after me. But for some reasons they did not. But for some reasons they did not. But for some reasons they did not. He was amazed by that fact. He was amazed by the fact that the huge elephants are not even making an attempt to break the rope. The huge elephants are not even making an attempt to break the rope. Repeat after me. And set themselves free. And set themselves free. He saw a trainer nearby and asked him. He saw a trainer nearby and asked him, why these elephants just stood there and made no attempt to get free? Why these elephants just stood there and made no attempt to get free? Why these elephants just stood there and made no attempt to get free? The trainer said. The trainer said. The trainer said. Please repeat after me. The trainer said. When they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size of rope to tie them. We used to same size of rope to tie them. We used to use same size of rope to tie them. And at that age, it was enough to hold them. And at that age, it was enough to hold them. As they grow up, repeat after me, as they grow up, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break the rope. They are conditioned to believe that they cannot break the rope. They believe the rope can still hold them. Repeat after me. They believe the rope can still hold them. That's why they never try to break free. That's why they never try to break free. Repeat after me. That's why they never try to break free. After listening to the answer of the trainer, the man was amazed. After listening to the answer of the trainer, the man was amazed. After listening to the answer of the trainer, the man was amazed, and he walked away from there. Repeat after me. And he walked away from there. On the way, he was thinking that. On the way, he was thinking that. Repeat after me. On the way, he was thinking that these animals could at any time break free from their bonds. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds. But because they believed they could not, they could not, they were stuck right where they were. They were stuck right where they were. They were stuck right where they were. So this is a story, okay? And with the help of this story, we can do practice with the help of this technique imitation. If we see in our life, so we will find that similarly many people are not trying to work towards success in their life, okay? Because they failed once, okay, and they start thinking that perhaps they cannot never succeed in their life, and because of this they stop making efforts, okay. Their condition is just like a elephant who has made a belief in his mind that he cannot break his tie, okay. If you want to succeed in your life, so then never think in your mind that you cannot succeed, that you cannot learn this language, okay. For learning this language, you have to make a positive belief in your mind. Yes, I can do this. I will be master in English after some times by doing practice. So please make positive vibes in your mind and remove all the mentality that drag you behind you know, your success. So please follow all the instruction, follow all the motivational story that will help you to motivate to get success, to improve your English, to learn your English, and also you will be master in English by doing practicing one day. Believe me. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.